He's Pato, and today we're playing the new Volcano update. And it's just me today. Okay, let's go see the new... Should I go out there? Or over there? This way. My drift just happened, and it made me... What are these? What are these? Rocks! Oh my god. Why is this sand? It's an anthill. But I will take these rocks. Does this work? Wait, I'm using my mods and stuff, and one of them is like ultra like boost thrower thing. I'm gonna see snowball. Okay, let's see if I can throw it farther now. Snowball boost. That's not working. Oh my god! Wait. I gotta go see this. Oh my. Look at this thing. Can I touch it? Yes, I can. This is so cool. What's up here? Oh my. We get to see up close to this thing. This thing looks cool. Oh my. Bro, this is cool. We get to see the volcano up close. Now we got that thing. Probably everything. Let me go to city. Cosmetics time. Forest lava.
This is a cool slingshot.
Oh my.
Oh, you want a cracker?
Pepper. Whatever that thing is. Mug. Fan. Whatever that thing is. Ring. Free badge. Umbrella. Hat. That. Gloves. Hat. Suit. Burnt up t-shirt. Cool t-shirt. Okay, I'll be back for those cosmetics. Now, let me see. The t-shirt. Looks nice. Burnt up t-shirt. Volcanic suit. Oh, volcanic suit. Dr. E. Hat. Oh, this is cool. I like these. Wait, would it just be easier if I did this? Why did I not do this? I clicked buttons. But what is this? I need that! Now, subscribe or else you're gonna get oh, now the badge. Nice badge. This is fake, by the way. Ring. Ring. First ever fan. It's so hot. 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 Okay, I vote we get the other cosmetics now. Wait a minute, I just remembered something. Hold on, come here. I just remembered something. I have all the cosmetic. Hats. New hats. We got this. Yeah. We can wear any of these. So this is cool. Oh, the slingshot. We never looked at the slingshot. Now that's better. The slingshot. Well, that's cool to look like. Look, it's like a little thing. Looks cool. The mug. Oh god, that burned. What the? Oh god. What did my face look like? Hold on. Hold on. I'll be. Hold on. Oh. What did my faces look like? That's cool. What is this?
Please help me.
How does this work? It looks very dangerous. We got this. Seen this. And this. September the 23rd. Tomorrow. Saturday. Get on. We are VR. They're too cool. Yes. We're gonna try to break the world record. Got it. I'm gonna go get the new badge now. I just remembered something. I already have the badge. Because this all cosmetic thing. I bought the badge. Looks cool. I better put this back now. Tomorrow, Saturday. Get on, now. Or, oh, wait, hold on. Oh, crap. Or else. Good. Now I'll see you tomorrow. Wait, first I have to check out the other maps. Wait. Let's go check. Oh, wait, we have to check out the anything in Sky Map, which nobody goes to this map, and I think there. Wait, if I look down, can I see the volcano? Because I know I dropped my balloon. For a second there, I thought that was part of this volcano. Nothing in Sky Map. Next map. What is it? Caves. What the crap? Am I under the water? Oh, this water got a texture pack. Yeah. Is there anything different with the piano thing? Don't know why I'm blue still. Because I'm blue, dub. This would go faster if I actually used my mods. Man, this is a lot easier to get around the map, even though Let's go to canyons, then. Anything in canyons? Those zip lines look like more like it. You can see it better. What the? Oh my god. I'm as blue as this icicle. Okay, let's go now. To beach map. Beach map, here we come. Why is this pink? Am I swimming in lava? What the? I think whatever this update did, we broke the game. The mountain, I have to check there. Over here, a rock. Snowball, this. Wait, what the? There you go. That's what I mean by the snowball eater. I can be a minigun if I want to. Or a sniper. Eat. I have to hit between the slides right there. God. Yes! But let me see if there's anything with mountains that is unusual. Everything seems normal. I don't know where. Wait. Okay. Do you see the lava underneath us? Hold on. Let me... Okay, come here. There... Oh my god. You gotta see this. There's lava. I can swim. Oh my god, look at the splashes. I'm orange. Here's the cool thing with the volcano. If you throw rocks in it, it makes it flow as lava. It's coming.
That was by me.
Bro, why is the lava so difficult to go?
Yeah, look, they said that I couldn't do it, so I went and did it. W's only, you know I've been winning. Top of the world, the globe is spinning. If you know, I've been on a what? Mission. Go. Okay, let's get it. Got a little time on my hands like a wristwatch. I don't got time for the brakes and the pit stop. Race through the gridlock, take it like Chris Rock. Right to the chin, still win. Heavy metals like Slipknot. Got the driving, I got tunnel vision. I just hit my stride the way I run the business. I've been making paper like I'm Dunder Mifflin. See the end game, I got one division. Look, I don't ever bother with a critic. Hit him with a chronicle of Riddick. Boom, bottle full of.
Now, Saturday, tomorrow, we are VR. 12 o'clock. Get on. For big event, we're gonna break the world record of the, oh crap. No.